Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make short videos pro long form with just one click. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to web browser and type Opus Pro, and then here in the search bar just paste the link, then scroll down and do the settings for yourself. After that just upload link, or you can also upload video if you want. Just tap on get clips in one click, and as you can see it will take some time. Once produced you will receive a Gmail message, and you can simply download the clips by tapping on download HD icon. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.